Fans are living for Bennifer 2.0. In a recent interview, the Batman actor revealed just how good life is with his lady love back in his life. Ben Affleck, 49, and Jennifer Lopez, 52, are living proof that second chances actually work. While in a recent interview, Ben revealed that life is good, since rekindling his romance with J.Lo. "I'm very happy. It is a very happy time in my life. Life is good," Ben gushed to Extra TV of his rekindled flame while at the Tinder bar premiere on Sunday, October 3rd. The pair, who decided to give love another 17 years after splitting, have been inseparable ever since going public for round 2. This isn't the first time that Ben has spoken highly of his rekindled flame. In an interview with AdWeek published on Sunday, September 19, the actor gushed over his girlfriend, which marked the first time he publicly spoke about their relationship since the A-listers got back together in May 2021. Related gallery. Ben Affleck and Jennifer Lopez best PDA photos, kissing, holding hands and more. "All I can tell you is that I have seen firsthand the difference representation makes, because I have seen, over and over and over and over, women of color approach Jennifer and tell her what her example as a strong woman and a woman succeeding and demanding her fair share in the business world means to them," Ben told the publication. "I am in awe of what Jennifer's effect on the world is. The admiration didn't stop there." He added that the singer has inspired a massive group of people to feel they have a seat at the table in this country. Ben said, "That is an effect few people throughout history have had, one I will never know and one I can only stand by and admire with respect." As fans would know, they have both been all smiles since reconnecting. So, it goes without saying that their chemistry is undeniable and their whirlwind romance feels just right. From spending the majority of their time together to involving her children, Max and M, 13, whom she shares with ex-husband Mark Anthony, and his children Violet, 15, Serafina, 12, and Samuel, 8, whom he shares with ex-Jennifer Garner, this relationship appears to be going the distance.